Top 20 Scalability Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the primary concern in scalability for systems? A. Managing increased load without compromising performance. B. Reducing system costs with more data. C. Creating faster algorithms for small systems. D. Maintaining system consistency over time. The correct answer is A. Managing increased load without compromising performance. Scalability ensures systems can handle growth while maintaining performance. Question 2. Which approach can improve system scalability? A. Distributing the load across multiple servers. B. Increasing hardware to match load. C. Limiting user requests to reduce load. D. Reducing system features. The correct answer is A. Distributing the load across multiple servers. Distributing the load ensures the system can handle more requests efficiently. Question 3. What defines a system as scalable? A. Its ability to handle a growing amount of work. B. Its ability to handle more users with no issues. C. Its ability to decrease performance over time. D. Its ability to function without failures. The correct answer is A. Its ability to handle a growing amount of work. A scalable system can grow and adapt to increased demand. Question 4. Which method is used to achieve horizontal scalability? A. Adding more machines to the system. B. Improving the software algorithm. C. Optimizing single server performance. D. Using faster CPUs. The correct answer is A. Adding more machines to the system. Horizontal scalability is achieved by adding more resources, such as servers. Question 5. What is a bottleneck in scalability? A. A component limiting the system's ability to scale. B. An optimization that improves system performance. C. A measure of system efficiency. D. A backup component in case of failure. The correct answer is A. A component limiting the system's ability to scale. A bottleneck slows down a system's performance, preventing it from scaling effectively. Question 6. What is vertical scalability? A. Scaling a system by adding resources to a single node. B. Scaling a system by distributing workloads across nodes. C. Improving performance by reducing network traffic. D. Using multiple software tools for scalability. The correct answer is A. Scaling a system by adding resources to a single node. Vertical scalability involves upgrading the existing hardware or resources of a single system. Question 7. What role does load balancing play in scalability? A. It evenly distributes workloads across multiple resources. B. It prioritizes tasks based on urgency. C. It reduces the overall system cost. D. It accelerates system processing speed. The correct answer is A. It evenly distributes workloads across multiple resources. Load balancing ensures that resources are utilized effectively to handle growing demands. Question 8. Which of these is a scalability challenge? A. Ensuring the system adapts to growth without failures. B. Reducing user interactions. C. Minimizing the size of data inputs. D. Increasing the processing speed of servers. The correct answer is A. Ensuring the system adapts to growth without failures. As systems scale, it becomes critical to ensure stability and performance at larger sizes. Question 9. Which factor influences scalability in cloud-based systems? A. Elasticity of cloud resources. B. Limited bandwidth capacity. C. Single-use application design. D. Reducing data storage requirements. The correct answer is A. Elasticity of cloud resources. Cloud resources scale elastically, adapting to the system's growing demands. Question 10. What is the primary advantage of microservices in scalability? A. Decomposition of tasks for easier scaling. B. Faster server boot time. C. Simplified data management. D. Reduction in total server costs. The correct answer is A. Decomposition of tasks for easier scaling. Microservices divide tasks, making it easier to scale specific components independently. Question 11. Which factor impacts scalability most in data storage? A. The system's ability to distribute data across nodes. B. The physical location of the storage. C. The number of users accessing data. D. The type of data stored. The correct answer is A. The system's ability to distribute data across nodes. Distributed storage systems ensure scalability by spreading data across multiple resources. Question 12. What does a scaling strategy involve? A. Planning how resources will grow to meet demand. B. Ensuring that hardware remains consistent. C. Reducing system features. D. Limiting the number of users. The correct answer is A. Planning how resources will grow to meet demand. A scaling strategy involves increasing resources to accommodate growing user demands. Question 13. What is the key to elastic scalability in cloud computing? A. Automatic scaling of resources based on demand. B. Increased hardware investment. C. Reducing the complexity of the system. D. Fixed pricing for resource usage. The correct answer is A. Automatic scaling of resources based on demand. Elastic scalability adjusts resources in real time according to the system's demands. Question 14. What is the term for scaling up resources without downtime? A. Zero downtime scaling. B. Horizontal scaling. C. Vertical scaling. D. Resource overprovisioning. The correct answer is A. Zero downtime scaling. Zero downtime scaling adds resources without affecting the system's availability. Question 15. Which practice supports scalability in web applications? A. Caching data for faster access. B. Increasing the server's CPU clock speed. C. Limiting user interactions to optimize data processing. D. Reducing the application's code complexity. The correct answer is A. Caching data for faster access. Caching improves performance by reducing the load on databases and servers. Question 16. Which problem occurs when scaling without proper planning? A. Resource contention and system overload. B. Slower response times. C. System redundancy. D. Data loss. The correct answer is A. Resource contention and system overload. Improper scaling can cause overloading and failure to meet demand effectively. Question 17. How does containerization support scalability? A. By isolating applications for easier scaling and deployment. B. By increasing the speed of application code execution. C. By reducing the complexity of deployment. D. By minimizing server resource consumption. The correct answer is A. By isolating applications for easier scaling and deployment. Containers provide isolated environments, allowing for flexible scaling and deployment. Question 18. Which factor does not affect scalability? A. The number of users accessing a system. B. The volume of data processed by the system. C. The aesthetic design of the user interface. D. The configuration of underlying hardware or cloud resources. The correct answer is C. The aesthetic design of the user interface. UI design does not affect scalability directly, resources and usage do. Question 19. What is the first step in creating a scalable system? A. Identifying future growth expectations and requirements. B. Purchasing the best hardware. C. Hiring additional personnel. D. Simplifying user features. The correct answer is A. Identifying future growth expectations and requirements. Understanding future demands allows the design of scalable systems. Question 20. Which is an example of dynamic scalability? A. Adding servers during peak traffic periods. B. Upgrading hardware at the beginning of a project. C. Reducing the number of active users. D. Implementing rigid, static configurations. The correct answer is A. Adding servers during peak traffic periods. Dynamic scalability adjusts resources as traffic increases or decreases.